Okay, as far as checking your headlights here, turn the bike on, always make sure your headlight kicks on. You can flash your high beam as well, make sure it works. After that, always check the turn signals, make sure both your front turn signal and your rear turn signal are coming on. Check the other side as well, make sure it's coming on, they all are. Now the big one is to make sure your brake lights work. The easiest way to check your brake lights is I'll put my hand behind it. If you're in the garage and your bike's not running, you can back it up to the garage door. Just hold your hand behind it, hold the front brake lever, make sure it's lighting up. Hit your back brake lever, make sure it's lighting up as well. Once again, if you're hitting your brake lever and nothing is changing, it's either because you have a bad switch or one of your switches is stuck on. And if it's stuck on, that usually means you have something out of alignment, which is switched to aftermarket rear sets or levers. A lot of times they won't hit the button they're supposed to activate your brake light, so then your brake light is just always off. So make sure you check them up.